Hey guys, we're back at you again. This is a how-to video on how to put the SmallRig on your Sony ZV-E10 camera. This thing is great. It's rugged. I have a video on it, unboxing it, in the description. Check that out. Hey guys, we're back here. We're back at the workbench. And this is where we're gonna put on your SmallRig. As you can see, I got my SmallRig, my lenses off. I'm gonna show you another video on how to take your lenses off and on the safest way possible. They're very fragile, and sometimes it can be a little tricky. So also, here is your camera, and when your lens is off, it's going to look like this, okay? It's gonna look a little funny. But that is your main lens in there, and you don't want to get any dust or scratches on this. So you don't want to leave your lenses off for too long. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our SmallRig, and you should take your lenses off in order to put this on, just so you don't scratch anything, and it's a little easier because this is so bulky. And so what you want to do is you just want to slide this in, and you put it in just like that so it fits nice and flush. See how there's no openings in there? Fits perfect. And your strap now, instead of through these, now are through this. And it's even stronger than this. So it's going to look just like this with the SmallRig on. Okay. And then what you do is you have this little thing right here. It's a little, kind of like a mini screwdriver. It's magnetic. You just push this main bolt in, and you're just going to keep screwing and screwing till it fastens fast to this unit. So that's the main bolt there. And that is what you want to make sure is in and nice and tight. Next up, you have this one little piece that will go in to where the strap was. So it's going to fit right in that little pocket right there. Can you see that? Right in that little pocket right there. Okay. And then you're going to put your bolt on there. One little Allen key that you're going to use is right here. And you're going to go right into right here. And you just fit your small Allen key in there and keep twisting until it gets tight. And it might take a little bit of turns until you get that tight. And then you give it a little snug. You don't want to force anything. You don't want to push. You just want to make sure that it's tight. So that's it. You don't want to over tighten anything. Okay, and now we have our nicely snug SmallRig on this camera, and now this thing ain't messing with nothing. And now we got this SmallRig on the camera. It looks great. It feels like a camera now, and now you got this nice bulky handle, and that's it. Check out my video to put on and off the lenses, and that'll be great. You should be seeing that towards the end. I'll put it in the comments if it doesn't. Make sure you hit that like, that subscribe, and hit the bell notification to keep seeing videos of mine. Peace.